Planetary science versus astronomy, what sets them apart? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating realms of space and exploring the intricate differences between two awe-inspiring fields, planetary science and astronomy. I'm your host, Sushant, and let's embark on this cosmic journey. Before we delve into the distinctions, let's begin by gaining a foundational understanding of both these captivating scientific disciplines. Planetary science is the fascinating study of planets, moons, asteroids, and other celestial bodies within our solar system and, on occasion, even beyond it. This discipline focuses on unraveling the mysteries of these objects' geology, atmospheres, and physical properties. Astronomy, on the other hand, is the grandeur of studying the entire universe, encompassing galaxies, stars, black holes, and countless other celestial phenomena. It's a more expansive scientific field that seeks to unravel the cosmos beyond the boundaries of our solar system. Now that we've laid down the basic framework, let's methodically dissect the key differences between planetary science and astronomy. Our first point of differentiation is the scope. Planetary science drills down and primarily concerns itself with specific celestial bodies such as planets, moons, and asteroids, predominantly within our solar system. Think of it as an in-depth exploration of individual worlds. In contrast, astronomy casts a wider net. It investigates everything within the universe, from remote galaxies and enigmatic stars to celestial occurrences such as supernovae and enigmatic black holes. It's all about grasping the broader cosmic picture. Now, let's shift our gaze to the methods and tools employed by scientists in each of these captivating fields. Planetary scientists often utilize advanced tools such as spacecraft, rovers, and telescopes to study specific celestial objects up close. They gather valuable data from missions like NASA's Mars rovers, which tirelessly explore the Martian surface. Astronomers, on the other hand, are heavily reliant on powerful telescopes to observe and scrutinize distant celestial objects. In addition to telescopes, they employ sophisticated instruments like spectrographs to dissect the light emitted by stars and galaxies, providing essential insights into their composition, temperature, and distance. Another critical aspect of these fields is the environment in which these scientists operate. Planetary scientists typically toil away in research laboratories and planetary observatories, meticulously analyzing data obtained from space missions and ground-based observations. Astronomers, on the other hand, have a broader range of work settings, which may include planetariums, university research departments, and remote observatories. Their pursuits involve gazing into the depths of the universe's vastness. Lastly, let's contemplate the overarching goals and practical applications of these two captivating fields. Planetary science endeavors to unravel the history and evolutionary processes of planets and moons, knowledge that is pivotal for potential future missions, such as human colonization or harnessing resources from these celestial bodies. In stark contrast, astronomy's ambitions extend to addressing profound questions about the universe's origins, evolution, and fate. Beyond the quest for cosmic knowledge, it also has tangible applications, such as utilizing astronomical data to enhance navigation and communication systems. And there you have it, the intricate and fascinating differences between planetary science and astronomy. While these two fields share a common thread in their quest to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos, they each possess unique focuses, methodologies, and objectives. If you found this journey through space and science informative and captivating, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for an endless cosmic voyage with more intriguing content. Don't forget to leave your burning questions and comments down below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, remember to keep gazing upward at the celestial wonders above.